This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Margie Chapman. Immaculate single-family style condo in Great Neck with open floor plan. Amenities include newer hardwood floors on first floor, vaulted ceiling, gas fireplace in living room, updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, first floor bedroom, utility room with full-size washer and dryer, converted garage, 2 master suites on second floor, and jetted tub. Screened-in porch and low-maintenance yard. Available immediately. No pets and non-smoking unit. Community pool? For more information, review the details below or contact Margie Chapman at 757-428-0201.